Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss French numbers. And so before I move to French numbers, I would like to discuss numbers in English because it will really help you to understand the numbers in French because there are a lot of similarities between English and numbers in French as far as the pattern is concerned. So if we talk about numbers in English, we learn it from 0 to 20, and then we learn all the tens, for example 20, 30, 40, whatever, and then we add numbers from 1 to 9 in after all the tens, and this pattern remains same throughout the counting from 0 to 100. So basically this same pattern is followed in French as well, but with a bit of variation. In French also we learn numbers from 0 to 20, and we learn all the tens, and then we add numbers from 1 to 9 after tens, but not with all the tens. There are some exceptions, like in after 70 and after 90 we do not use numbers from 1 to 9. Instead we replace it with 11 to 19. So this is the major difference between numbers in French and numbers in English, but rest of the pattern is almost same that we follow in both the languages. And there are a lot of rules and some conditions as far as French pronunciation is concerned, and we are going to discuss all those rules and conditions in this video. So let's start. Well, rule number 1, in the following numbers you can see that A is used. A means and it is used with all these numbers 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, and that you have to remember and learn that you will have to, when you will write it in French and when you will be pronouncing these numbers, you will have to use A in between, and it is used only with these numbers. So if you pronounce it, it would be sorry, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. In rule 2, it is important to place hyphen between the numbers wherever it is required, and skipping this hyphen is considered as a mistake, right? So if you look at these numbers: 17, 17, 22, 22, 33, 33, 81, 81, 97, 97. So you can see that between the two words, or between three words, or between the four words, we have placed hyphen, and which is mandatory. So you have to keep this thing in your mind while writing these numbers. Rule number 3, in the following numbers you can see that A is replaced with the hyphen, as in the rule number 1 we have discussed that in 21 to 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71 we have used A, but in 81 and 91 it is replaced with the hyphen. So it's 81, 81. Now let's begin with the counting. Numbers, English pronunciation and French pronunciation. English terms and French terms, and I will just pronounce only the French terms, as you are well acquainted with the English terms and the pronunciation of the English words. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. vingt et un, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Sorry. I have mispronounced this word. It's 30. 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, sorry, 100. So this is the pronunciation of French numbers. If we talk about the rules, you can see that major thing is that you have to learn from counting from 1 to 20. After 20, counting is repeated from 1 to 9. After 30 also 1 to 9. After 40 also 1 to 9. The only difference the difference in pattern would be after 70 and 90. See, after 17 we'll add the numbers from 11 to 19, and in after 90 also we'll add the numbers from 11 to 19. Rest the pattern would be same. So you have to learn numbers from 0 to 20, and you have to learn all the tens like when, trente, quarante, cinquante. So this is you have to learn, and you just have to remember. And in rule number 1 we have talked about that in 31, 21, 41 we will add et, right? And in rule number 3 we have done that in after 80 and after 90 a will be replaced by the hyphen. And in rule number 2 we have talked that wherever there are more than one word we have applied hyphen, and it is compulsory. So you can see everywhere we have applied the hyphen, and where we have not applied the hyphen between the two we have used a, and there is a condition for that. So I hope that you have learned this video has really helped you to learn French numbers in an easier manner, and you just have to follow a particular pattern as I have told you, and definitely you will be fluent enough in pronouncing the French terms. Thank you so much.